Yes, it was a bon dia. A truly good day for everyone at Telearuba, and especially for the lucky children who got a spot to spend their morning at Channel 13's headquarters through a partnership with Buki di Pret and Telearuba. Boys and girls got a behind-the-scenes look at how production works, how the news is made, and even got hands-on experience taking turns as interviewers or stepping behind the news desk as anchors. For the Telearuba team, it was an all-hands-on-deck experience. Everyone played a role, explaining their jobs, guiding the kids through the process, even lending a hand during snack time. Angie is an editor, reporter, and anchor at Telearuba. She believes this kind of exposure is essential for shaping the foundation of the media industry's future.
Kids get to understand how we make the news. So it helps them maybe dream bigger and give them curiosity, because we are lacking in this area. Most of their kids, they want to be a teacher or they want to be a doctor, but we need more children to explore this area of news, how to create news, how to do journalism. So it opens up their curiosity and they know how they can experience how it's brought to life. So they were here visiting in the news area, in the newsroom. We have showed them the program we work with, Premier, and it's like CapCut, so that they understood it immediately. And then we went to the studio room, to the newsroom, and so they have experienced how to read the news, the prompt, and the cameras. So it was a very nice experience for them, and they were happy.
These visits spark curiosity and create meaningful moments for adults to step in as mentors, even if just for a little while, to deliver valuable messages.
They have asked me what kind of education or what can they do to make better or to read better, and I just told them just to read books and presentations in class, because you know in school they have to do some presentations, spreekbeurts. And that's very important because it's not so different from here when you're reading or telling a story. So that's the most important part.
Giving kids the opportunity to step into a presenter's shoes opens up the question, could this be what I want to do when I grow up?
Okay, stand by. En 3, 2, 1, go.
Bom dia, nós estamos com o nosso mainta, nós estamos com o Gideon. Qual escola você vai? Rosário, Botimbesia.
Curiosity of holding a mic and hearing through the IFV and looking around and exploring. So it was nice. The children, they get to know, oh, this is how it's happened. So this is what my grandparents are seeing at home. It's a big studio. Oh wow, it's hard. It's harder than they thought.
Sergio here is from Buki di Pret. He knows Telearuba well. It's almost a full circle moment for him.
Well, I personally like this activity because I started very young in Telearuba, having a children program, having other kind of programs. So for me, it's like being home, and that's good because from that stage opportunity that I got in Telearuba, I went abroad and did television work. So for me, it's very important for kids, ordinary kids, see something and maybe later be an anchor in Telearuba.
Now, does any of you watch Channel? The Telearuba tour is one of the most popular activities in the Buki di Pret book. It's always fully booked. Clearly, kids are curious about TV and production.
A lot of kids register and sometimes they don't get a place because everyone wants to come to Telearuba. It's an opportunity to see something about television. They are very, very excited. You know, the parents calling and is there still a room, still a plekje like they say in Dutch, still un lugar to get to be in Telearuba, yes. Well, the kids are always very enthusiastic to come to this activity. From long ahead, they're trying to register themselves and to be here, and you can see when they come early, they come on time, and they're ready to have the tour in Telearuba.
Now let's hear from the kids themselves, what they've learned today and what they've enjoyed and what stood out to them.
The editors.
Why?
Because they were like cool and they had to edit things like I edit my photos sometimes.
That how everybody in the everybody in Telearuba helps a little bit they can post it. Everybody have a little piece in the project.
I really loved the master room. It was interesting. The studio was much fun.
Interviewing, it was very exciting for interview people and get to be filmed. Really amazing.
Because every time I look at the TV, I wonder how they do it. So I want to see in the behind the scenes.
I learned that Telearuba is a really big place, is a really important place in Aruba, and I really enjoy the filming just right now, interviewing. I really enjoy Aruba today, Telearuba today.
Really want to work at like a lot of places, but I don't feel like I am good at them. But I think here I'll be good.
Because this visit, I see every spot that has in Telearuba, and it's really encouraged me for doing this when I'm older.
That I learned a lot. That I went in the master room. I get to see the editors and make some new friends.
I like to know more about every person. Like, I'm a really talkative person, so I like interviewing people. It's very fun.
Before we wrap, Angie has one last important message for the kids about what truly matters in the world of news production.
It's the integrity of the story, because I always love working with facts and trustable source. So it's very important because you have the influence to bring some information to the public, to the community. So it has to be reliable and it has to be trustworthy. So you have to do some research, you have to do some preparations before you have some, let's say you were requested for an interview or on a specific topic. So it's very important to educate yourself about that topic, and general knowledge is also very important. And how to get general knowledge, to read books. You have to be present in the actualizations of what's going on in your country.
Whether these kids grow up to sit behind the news desk or work behind the scenes, today's visit was more than just fun. It planted seeds of inspiration. They could be part of Aruba's media industry in the future.